course, now he's going to stop snoring.
Don't worry, Grandma's snoring. He's sneaky, he knows. He knows you'll be watching him.
Yeah.